Under those orders then for this Universal Recycling Company sponsored track conditions race. And away they go, and the longer, just being restrained actually by James Martin, well done him, to let Kavita Z to go on, because the long took out of a pull going to post, and Eurofarmer also is keen, and Departed doesn't like hanging around either, so this might be quite a strong pace. This might have set it all up for De Soto, who is the black marker in the early stages, under Jamie Goss. But they go uphill then towards fence number 2, and coming into jump it, Kavita Zeta leads, but at the moment DeLong would like to go a good pace or two faster, but Joe probably doing a good job on that one. Eurofarmer seems to have settled now in third, Departed fourth, De Soto 5. And that's uphill pull early on, certainly steadies down some of those who fancy their chances of going a bit quicker than what their riders are expecting. But Eurofarmer now has the downhill run and is trying to take charge once again. So we'll see what happens as they come back up towards fences 3 and 4. Eurofarmer on the near side as we look is now the leader. Coming in to jump it. Leads over by a couple from in second place Kavita Zeta. They all jumped it okay. Long is probably just third, and then Departed and De Soto as they come down to fence 4. So coming on to jump it then, it is Eurofarmer who was over it well. Long just went through the top of that a bit, and Eurofarmer goes on well for Laura Jenkins by a couple of lengths. Now he's got to get round the bend though, which he's aware of, and trying to shorten the range as he comes into it. He's got an experienced campaigner, Eurofarmer, so hopefully he'll help, and he has. I think they're taking that bend quite well. Kavita Zeta in second, then Long in third, De Soto fourth, and Departed going widest. Richard Collinson's already had 2 winners, and they will be following his earlier line. Bringing on back then as they come towards fence 5. Eurofarmer in front by about 4 lengths from Kavita Zeta, and then Long, and De Soto was a bit better than Departed at the fence, and he gets a reminder. Going on towards fence number 6, Eurofarmer, Kavita Zeta. Departed a much better jump there, up on the outside of De Soto and Long. There's only about 5-6 lengths, I think, covering this quintet as they come to the open ditch for the first time. Fence number 7, Europarted over 1. Eurofarmer, over from Departed in second place, might well have landed just ahead of Kavita Zeta, although he's going to go back up there on the flat. And then we have Long, who has settled down nicely in fourth now, and De Soto showing plenty of enthusiasm at the moment, although he's last as a 5. They're all over that well, and now they swing right-handed to go up towards fence number 9, and Departed, Richard Collinson, is really trying to make sure it is his most memorable day as he goes for a first ever treble here, and Departed running a big race at the moment, upsides in fact takes over from Eurofarmer there at that fence. Then Kavita Zeta in third, Long in fourth, and De Soto in 5. So they run downhill into the dip for the second of 3 times. Departed on the outside of Eurofarmer, and then in third place Long, and now Kavita Zeta back to fourth, and De Soto is last. So up they come out of the dip and come on towards the next. That's number 10, and Eurofarmer regains the lead just marginally from Departed in second place. And then we've got Kavita Zeta and Long together just in front of De Soto, and they're all over that one. Okay, well the early leading for Kavita Zeta seems to be doubling him, although he's got, for the moment has run on again to go back into third under Zach Baker. But it's Eurofarmer, as on the previous circuit, who leads them around this bend at the far end of the course. From Departed in second place, who is travelling well today for the jockey in form, Richard Collinson. Just has to push there at that point. Then in third is Kavita Zeta. De Soto gets closer, and Long is now last. So on they go then towards the next plain fence coming up, number 12. And coming in to jump it, Eurofarmer fast over it from Departed in second. Once again, he wasn't particularly good at that fence as on the previous circuit. Then De Soto, who's going pretty easily for Jamie Goss in third. Long getting back into it, but having to be pushed along to do so. And the same applies to Kavita Zeta, who's trying to go up on the outside of Departed and has done so, and has probably gone back into second place there. So plenty of chances then, with only 4 fences left to jump. Elon surprisingly seems to be the first one who's beginning to feel the pressure, and it's Euro Farmer keeping going well from De Soto and Jamie Goss, who are going to jump this in second place. Then over in third place was probably just Kavita Zeta. Now, can Richard Collinson conjure anything out of Departed? He's certainly going to try, but has a fair bit to do now, it would seem, and Elon might yet run on past him at least. So they're going up towards the third fence from the finish, and Euro Farmer has been either first or second throughout and leads by a couple here from De Soto in second. Kavita Zeta third, Elong in fourth, but she's only running on at one pace really. Departed isn't going to land a treble for Richard Collinson, last of the 5. So they run down into the diff, and then they have 2 fences left to jump. It's Euro Farmer being in front for Laura Jenkins, who'll stay first and second virtually throughout, but De Soto and Jamie Goss are close enough if they can find one more challenge as they come down towards the second last. Euro Farmer's rider looking round and hasn't shaken off De Soto, still a couple of lengths in it. Kavita Zeta is third, Elong is fourth. Down they go towards the final fence. Euro Farmer runs around a bit. He's giving De Soto the sight of a chance, but still Euro Farmer holds the lead. Gets over it from De Soto in second now. Can the old horse to find any more? Doesn't look like it. He's trying, but Euro Farmer has enough of a lead up towards the line. Euro Farmer was in front of De Soto, and then came Kavita Zeta, Elong and Departed. They've all completed in the final race.